Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. I'm Erica Hughes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are new, please subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button, let me know what you guys think, and leave me a comment. So for today's video, we are going for something like this, or for today's painting. This is a dried result from 2 videos ago. This is a blown bloom and then spun out using my FLOETROL and gel mix. So we're going for something like this today, with a different color palette. And there's 2 paintings in today's video. It's a short video, but I ended up scraping again the first one. I don't know, it's like, what was that, a piece of paint? Yep, absolutely, okay. So I ended up scraping the first one because I wasn't feeling it, but I wanted to show you guys my process. Like, I wanted to show you how I got to the painting, the second painting, that I think is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna pop back in after the first one, and yeah, so I will see you guys in a minute. Enjoy. Okay, so before you see what you're about to see, I did scrape this one, and I think I said that in the intro, but I just wanted to say I just wasn't feeling it. I didn't like the negative space. I didn't like the composition. I wasn't feeling it. So I scrape it all up, and you'll see in a second. And now that that background has a lot of all of the bloom colors that I puddled in the middle and blew out, that's all mixed in with that background color. So for this painting, it really pulled the bloom and the background together. They're just like, it's gorgeous. I love it. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, enjoy. Talk to you in a bit. Bye. All right, so there we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of the new video format, the painting more importantly. Let me know if you saw how gorgeous that background color is with that bloom, and how it just mixing those bloom colors into the background got me this stunning painting, I think, and I hope you guys think so too. But yeah, it just married them together, so yeah, I'm excited. So let me know what you guys think. Comment below, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for coming by. Bye.